Did you know that in 2024, over 70% of graphic designers are expected to integrate AI tools into their workflow? Yeah, that's right. If you haven't jumped on the AI train yet, you're definitely missing out. Alright, let's set the stage here. Graphic design has come a long way from those basic tools we used back in the day. Nowadays, we've got state-of-the-art software that's not only powerful but also super user-friendly. But here's the kicker, many of these tools are now powered by AI, which makes them even cooler. In this video, we're diving into the world of free AI tools for graphic design in 2024. Whether you're a newbie looking to create eye-catching designs or a seasoned pro wanting to boost your efficiency, these tools can seriously enhance your creativity and streamline your process. So, let's get into it. First up on our list is Canva's AI feature. Now, Canva has been a game changer in graphic design, and with their AI integration, it just gets better. Imagine being able to generate design suggestions tailored to your content automatically. It's like having a design buddy who knows exactly what you need. Next, we have Designify, which uses AI to help you remove backgrounds from images with just a click. It's super handy for those of us who can't stand the tedious task of manual editing. Moving on, let's talk about Deep Art, an AI tool that transforms your photos into artwork. You can turn a simple snapshot into a Van Gogh or Picasso masterpiece. Trust me, your Instagram feed will thank you. Another exciting tool is Look Over, where AI assists you in creating logos. You just input your brand name and preferences, and it spits out a bunch of awesome logo designs. It's perfect for startups or anyone looking to refresh their brand identity. And we can't forget Photor, which offers an AI-powered photo editor that's super easy to use. With one click, you can enhance your photos, add filters, and even create stunning collages. It's like having a mini Photoshop in your pocket. Each of these tools comes packed with features that cater to various design needs, whether you're creating social media graphics, marketing materials, or personal projects. So, the question is, what's stopping you from giving them a shot? Now, let's talk about the standout tool that's really stealing the show in 2024, Adobe Express AI. This tool has completely revolutionized graphic design by making professional-level design accessible to everyone, and the best part? It's free. Adobe Express uses AI to help you create stunning visuals in minutes. You can start with a template and customize it easily, or you can let the AI generate a design based on your preferences. Let's take a quick look at its functionality. You can upload your images, add text, and choose from a massive library of stock photos and icons. The AI even suggests layouts and color schemes that match your style. Talk about saving time. Plus, it's mobile-friendly, so you can design on the go. Adobe Express really puts creative power in your hands, no matter your skill level. So, to wrap it all up, let's summarize what we've discussed. We've got Canva, Designify, Deep Art, Look Over, Photor, and of course, the revolutionary Adobe Express AI. Each tool brings something unique to the table, catering to different user needs. Whether you're just starting out or you're a pro looking to speed things up, there's definitely something for you. The versatility of AI in graphic design not only enhances creativity but also allows for a more efficient workflow. The future of design is bright, and it's powered by AI. In conclusion, the impact of these free AI tools on graphic design is undeniable. They're not just trends, they're here to stay and change the way we create. So, why not give them a try? Embrace the future of graphic design and see how these tools can elevate your projects to the next level. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you create. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these AI tools? What's your experience been like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about graphic design and technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community, and let's explore the creative world together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.